I am Dr. A. Sagai Francis Brito, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am here to help you in the subject testing of materials. The code is OML 751. So, in Unit 1, we are going to deal with the introduction of material testing. We'll be discussing about the overview of the materials, classification of material testing, purpose of testing, selection of material, development of testing, testing organization and its committee, testing standards, result analysis, advantages of testing. First, before knowing about material testing, we have to know about what material is. A substance or a mixture of substance that forms an object is referred to as a material. A material is closely related to matter. Materials can be either pure or impure, living or non-living. A material is a physical substance that is used to make things. Materials are made up of variety of metals and non-metals that are combined to form a finished products. How materials are being classified? Usually, engineering materials can be classified into two categories. One is conventional materials, other one is advanced materials. Metals and non-metals falls under conventional materials, whereas nano-engineering materials, smart materials, biomaterials, semiconductors falls under advanced materials. See, this is the out chart which the materials are being classified. So conventional materials, advanced materials. Under conventional materials it is metals, non-metals. So metals can be classified into ferrous, non-ferrous depending upon the carbon content, and non-metals it can be polymers, ceramics, composites. It can be natural fibers too. Under advanced material, it is semiconductors, biomaterials, smart materials, nano-engineered materials. See, conventional materials, I have already said, it can be ferrous or non-ferrous. Whatever material which we are using in day-to-day life, that comes under this conventional materials, metal, like aluminium, magnesium, beryllium, titanium, cobalt, copper. These falls under conventional materials. Generally, this can be classified as ferrous and non-ferrous. It can also be classified into light metals, superalloys, and other sort of conventional materials. Whereas non-metals, we can classify it into plastics, composites, ceramics. Metals are made up of elements that readily gives up electrons in order to form a metallic bond and provide electrical conductivity. Metals are lustrous, opaque elements that conduct heat and electricity well. Most metals are malleable and ductile, and they are denser than the other elements. In today's world, metals play an important role in many industrial applications as well as human day life. Hundreds of metals are used to manufacture an object or product in engineering applications. So generally, examples are iron, steel, aluminium, copper, nickel, silver, zinc, gold, chromium, titanium, etc. So, characteristics of metals: their hardness, luxure, low specific heat, plastic deformation, strength, ductility, malleability, stiffness, excellent thermal and electrical conductivity, machinability. These metals can be classified into ferrous metals and non-ferrous metals. So, ferrous metals, we simply say that if the iron content is high, then it is called to be ferrous metal. Examples: pig iron, wrought iron, grey cast iron, malleable cast iron, white cast iron, steels, and the different types of steels also falls under ferrous metals. They are heavy in weight, lower electrical and thermal conductivity, low resistance to corrosion, difficult to machine or fabricate. Whereas in non-ferrous, the metals which contain other than iron as their main constituent or base metal is called as non-ferrous metals. Example: copper, aluminium, magnesium, lead, nickel, tin, zinc, cobalt, titanium, beryllium, etc. They are lighter in weight, high electrical and thermal conductivity, better resistance to corrosion, ease to machine or fabricate. Non-metals. In engineering applications, apart from metals, non-metals, like polymers, composites and ceramics were used in abundance. Polymers. Polymers are composed of large number of repeating units of small molecules called monomers. Natural and synthetic polymers are the two types of polymers used in various industrial applications. Example: polyesters, polyurethanes, epoxides, polyethylene, polypropylene, PVCs, etc. It has low density, excellent corrosion resistance, high resistance to chemical attack, good thermal and electrical insulation properties, excellent surface finish. So composites are produced by combining two dissimilar materials into a new material which does not react with each other like an alloy. The composite material is composed of two or more different materials that differ in form, structure, chemical composition, and insoluble with each other. Example: cement, concrete, glass fiber, reinforced plastic, plywood, etc. So how these composites are classified are polymer matrix composites, metal matrix composites, ceramic matrix composites, and carbon graphite matrix composites. Thank you.